Alright, I'm gonna modify this Scepter Smart Control gas can. I've done a long video on this, but I'm gonna try to make this a short. We're gonna try to get this in 3 minutes. So let me put you on pause for a moment. I'm gonna kind of prepare the pieces. That way I can do this quickly. Get it on a short, get more viewers on it, because yeah, the other video was like 40 minutes, and but I know I can do this pretty quick. So give me just a moment. I'm gonna hit the pause button, and then I'm gonna be right back with you. Okay, we're gonna try to do this quick. We're gonna try to get this thing done in 3 minutes. Try to get this to be a short. So here's one that I've already modified, as you can see. If you notice, there's nothing green on it compared to this one that has all this green stuff on it. All that green stuff is the whole problem. This one I filled up with water. This is a 2-gallon tank. As you can see, water just pours right out of it. No problem. Tools you're going to need is like some kind of a pair of pliers. You're going to need a screwdriver, flathead, preferably wide as you can get. Not as wide as you can get, but wide, like maybe about a 1/4 inch, or any kind of flathead screwdriver will do the job and do great. And you'll also need something to cut through soft plastic. I use these cutters for my garden shears, so they work good. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and begin this process of disassembling all of this. So first we'll go ahead and take off the funnel, or the headpiece, and then I've got the green thing here. I take the screwdriver, I pry it up, and once I have it pried up onto the threads, you just unscrew it, and then that's it, it's off. On this piece right here, there's a little tab on the back. You use a screwdriver, again a smaller screwdriver. I use the same screwdriver here, and pry the piece up so that you can plop and pull this piece off. So here now, I grab it and try to pull it off the best that I can. I may need to use the screwdriver again to add a lot of pressure to it. I can see it's done popped in there, but it doesn't matter if this thing breaks, because you don't need it. You're going to be throwing it away anyway. So there, I popped it out. I hit my 3-minute mark, which stinks, so I'm going to have to somehow speed this up. But this comes right off, and then that's that. Okay, you don't need it anymore. There's a little white piece right here, which needs to come off. Pull it out with a pair of pliers. Any kind of pliers will work. And it's going to release a spring there. There's the white piece. And there's the spring. And here's your other green piece that you don't need. You have another spring that's inside of here that needs to be removed. But in order to do that, you need to cut this piece of plastic and this piece of plastic on this back side here in order to access it. So again, I'm going to use these garden cutters, which will cut right through it nicely. These little bush cutters, and once I get it in place, give it a cut, and at that point you're just going to break it off. You don't need it. It's another piece of trash. At that point, this other spring comes out. This little white thing broke off. We're going to need to access that in a moment, and then all of this comes out, and you can clean it up if you need. Cut off that little extra piece just so that it looks nice. We need to break off this. Actually, I think that might be it. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Put the new nozzle into the tank. This is the old nozzle. and give it a pour, and there we go. That's it. Job done. Easy peasy. 1, 2, 3, easy. Okay. Hope you enjoy, and we'll try to get this video shortened down. I'm at 5 minutes. That stinks. So I need to get this on a short where a lot of people can see it. So you all have a great weekend, and we'll be talking with you soon. Bye bye.